Here we have a DoAll bandsaw. We have it hooked up to 460 volt, 3-phase power. And we're going to demonstrate the butt welder for the blade first. Okay, that's the butt welder, and then here we're going to turn on the bandsaw. Got a work light right here. And right now it's on low speed. It's got a high speed and a low speed. It's also got a speed adjuster. So we'll go ahead and turn it up here. That's a little bit, that's faster right there. But right now it's actually on low speed. So what we'll do is we'll shut it off. And then we're gonna change it to the high speed, which is this one. Okay, that's your high speed right there. And then actually you can turn that up a little more.